Just about 24 hours ago, or 25 hours ago approximately, as we speak of the venue in Jantar Mantar in the national capital, there was high drama that was witnessed. The Delhi police arrived at the site in civilian clothes and wearing mostly blue or white shirts, surprised the protesters and went up on the stage. While the first group towards the center of the stage, the rest took out white sheets and formed a fabric barricade. Within seconds, an ambulance was seen speeding away with the protest side and these personnel of the Delhi police and the paramilitary forces in an operation that lasted barely a few minutes, that they had removed the climate activist Sonam Wangchuk from the bed that he was staging a hunger strike for almost 3 weeks. Now, Wangchuk, who was rushed to the Delhi government-run hospital, which is the Safdarjung hospital, and at the protest site, there was pandemonium and chaos broke out after they realized what had happened. Now, when it comes to the support that has been growing for Sonam Wangchuk, and that he has been on a hunger strike for the last 21 days, seeking the resignation of the education minister and also educational reforms, where they planned out a march next week, which is tomorrow onwards on Monday when the parliament session begins. And now in the scorching summer, Wangchuk, that had been consuming nothing but salt and water, is said to have lost more than around 9 kgs of weight, and he was said to be in a lot of pain. There was outrage over the removal of Sonam Wangchuk from the protest side, and the CJP leader, which is Abhijit Dikwe, who had alleged that he was roughed up and beaten up, however, did reach the site on Jantar Mantar, and he had called the abduction of Sonam Wangchuk. Meanwhile, officials say that he was taken to the hospital peacefully without any use of force. Delhi police say that this action was not arbitrary. It was on the directions given by the Honorable Delhi High Court and on the expert medical advice due to the deteriorating health condition of the activist. He has now been shifted to the hospital for essential medical care.
ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट के आदेशानुसार और हेल्थ कंडीशंस और मेडिकल एडवाइस के अनुसार श्री सोनम वांगचुक जी को यहाँ से अप्रोप्रिएट गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल, जो मच नीडेड मेडिकल इंटरवेंशन है, उसके लिए ले जाया गया है और अंडर मेडिकल सुपरविजन.
So the incident, which has triggered a political war of words with the opposition, yet again finding ammunition against the government 24 hours before the monsoon session, it has now slammed the government action. Shiv Sena UBT has announced a protest in support of Sonam Wangchuk, where the demonstration will be held at around 4 p.m. today in Mumbai. Meanwhile, the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, broke his silence on the removal of Sonam Wangchuk from the stage on Jantar Mantar. Sharing a post on X, he said that the core tenets of Narendra Modi government are asatya and hinsa, and has described Wangchuk's removal as he was on a non-violent hunger strike as wrong. The BJP meanwhile hit back and only reminding the opposition that securing political mileage from the agitation would do them no good.
बहुत ही गलत तरीके से उठा लिया गया, उनका अनशन तोड़ने की कोशिश की गई है. सादे कपड़ों में पुलिस भेज के चारों तरफ से चादर से ढक के उनके साथियों के साथ बदसलूकी, बदतमीजी करके, धक्के मुक्के मार के उन्हें उठा के अस्पताल में भर्ती करा दिया गया. गांधी जी ने कितने लंबे लंबे फास्ट किए थे, ऐसे तो अंग्रेज भी नहीं करते थे. क्या इसी के लिए हमने आजादी ली थी कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब हमारी सरकार हम लोगों के साथ इस तरह से बदसलूकी करेगी. मैं मोदी जी से कहना चाहता हूं कि ये बच्चे क्या मांग रहे हैं. ये हमारे देश के बच्चे हैं, इनके साथ इस तरह की बदसलूकी करना सही नहीं है.
बच्चे मर गए, आत्महत्याएं कर ली बच्चों ने, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. प्रधानमंत्री शिक्षा मंत्री की पीठ थपथपा रहे. और कितनी मौतों के बाद प्रधानमंत्री जी शिक्षा मंत्री का इस्तीफा लेंगे. दुखद है, बहुत दुखद है.
ये मैं समझता हूँ सरकार की बहुत गलत नीति है कि जो व्यक्ति इतने दिनों से, लगभग 20 दिन से सोनम वांगचुक जी अन्न को त्यागे हुए हैं, भूख हड़ताल कर रहे थे, किस मुद्दे को लेकर कर रहे थे, नौजवानों के भविष्य को लेकर, और शिक्षा मंत्री का इस्तीफा मांगते थे. सरकार ने कोई संवाद नहीं किया, कोई चर्चा नहीं करी, कोई संज्ञान नहीं लिया. अब जब पूरे देश का प्रभाव पड़ रहा है और दबाव बन रहा था, तो अब उनको ज़बरदस्ती उठाकर अस्पताल ले जाया गया है, सिर्फ इस बात से बचने के लिए कि सरकार की जवाबदेही तय ना हो. इस तरह ज़बरदस्ती उनको उठाकर अस्पताल ले जाना कहीं ना कहीं दिखता है कि सरकार बहुत दबाव में है.
सोनम वांगचुक को जबरदस्ती उठा दिया. अभी डिप्टी जी बैठे हैं और बहुत लोग बैठेंगे भूख हड़ताल पर. ये सरकार की तानाशाही रुख को बर्दाश्त नहीं की जा सकती है. जवाबदेही का सिद्धांत है, उसको लागू करना पड़ेगा और एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को तुरंत पद से हटाना पड़ेगा.
हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर था. हाई कोर्ट ने बड़ा स्पेसिफिकली बोला कि सोनम वांगचुक की सेहत की चिंता की जाए. अब उनकी सेहत इस प्रकार से गड़बड़ हो रही थी, अखबारों में खबरें आ रही थी, ये जो विपक्षी नेता ये भी उनकी सेहत को लेकर अलग अलग प्रकार के कयास लगा रहे थे कि उनकी सेहत 8 किलो वजन कम हो गया, उनके पैरामीटर्स ठीक नहीं है। तो पुलिस ने चिंता करी है। अब इसमें राजनीति क्या है, इसमें विपक्षी की आवाज जमाने वाला काम कहाँ है? इसको तो उल्टा चिंता करी है। और कल सोनम वांगचुक के साथ कुछ हो जाए या हो जाता तो तब भी आप पुलिस को जिम्मेवार ठहराते या आप सरकार को जिम्मेवार ठहराते। तो इसलिए पुलिस ने जो जायज़ था, जो कोर्ट के ऑर्डर के अनुसार था, उसके हिसाब से कार्रवाई करी है।
Well, you heard the BJP reactions coming in saying that his medical report is out in the public domain. Importantly, it records that the examination was conducted with his own consent. So what exactly is this outrage about? Where he asked who would the opposition would have preferred that his condition worsen merely to sustain a political spectacle. Well, this is now coming in from the BJP side. Let's connect with Nyamika on this. Nyamika, now it is coming at a time when just a day before we are looking at the Parliament session to begin, and however there is already a lot of politics that seems to be surrounding what happened at Jantar Mantar yesterday.
Well, yes, indeed, we have seen that how the political war of words has already started after Sonam Wangchuk was removed from the protest site at Jantar Mantar, and we have seen that how various opposition leaders are making this allegation against the Modi government that this is basically a Tanashahi ravaiya which the government is opting, and that is the only reason why they are trying to suppress all the voices which are raising a question upon the government policies or demanding the resignation of the Union Minister Dharmendra. Have also seen that not just the political parties, but in fact the Cockroach Janata Party has also made this allegation that the Delhi police is basically planning to crack down on the protest which was going to be held tomorrow by the CJP, as that is the only reason why they have removed Sonam Wangchuk from Jantar Mantar, as he has the founder of Cockroach Janata Party has also made this allegation that this is basically an attempt on the part of the Delhi police to silence the voice of the youth. However, they have also made it very clear that they are going to continue with the protest on 20th of July, which is the first day of the Parliament session, as the protest is also being named as Chalo Sansad. Basically, they are trying to create a pressure upon the government on the very first day of the monsoon session for the resignation of Mr.
But for that, it is being said that they are yet to apply for a permission as far as with the Delhi police to continue with this protest march that they are planning for tomorrow. Nyamika, thank you very much for the moment for joining in.